Welcome to our latest tutorial on how to streamline your WhatsApp experience by removing multiple stickers at once. If you're like many of us, you've accumulated a collection of stickers over time, but not all of them are as useful or relevant as they once were. Today, we're going to walk you through a simple process to declutter your sticker library and make messaging more efficient. First, let's get started by opening the WhatsApp app on your device. Once you're in, select any chat to begin the process. Now, tap on the emoji icon located next to the message box. This will open up a variety of emojis and stickers you can use in your chats. Next, navigate to the sticker icon, which is usually located on the right side of the emoji section. This is where you'll find all the stickers you've downloaded or created. To manage your stickers more effectively, tap on the pencil icon next to the sticker icon. This will allow you to edit and delete stickers in bulk. Now, it's time to select the stickers you want to remove. Simply tap on each sticker to check it, and you'll see the number of selected stickers displayed at the top. Once you've chosen all the stickers you want to delete, tap on the delete icon, which is usually represented by a trash can. You'll be prompted to confirm your action, so tap Remove to delete the selected stickers permanently. This process is incredibly straightforward and will help you keep your sticker collection organized and clutter-free. By regularly cleaning up your stickers, you'll find it easier to locate the ones you actually use, making your messaging experience more enjoyable and efficient. If you have any additional questions or need further clarification on any of these steps, feel free to leave them in the comments below. We're always here to help. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.